Hello everyone! In today's video I will finally show you how I'm transforming our IKEA Pax wardrobe from non-functional into a functional, with one big before and after and one smaller. When we planned our wardrobe years ago, I wanted my part to be close to the window. I hoped for have a better light back then. What I didn't think was that a door is blocking the light anyway, and there always stays this chair. You see, I have to move it every single time when I want to get a piece to dress. More than this, I placed my lingerie in this dresser next to the window. Very, very wise woman. And that way, the best accessible place got the clothes which I'm wearing the least. In addition, with the time the glass door began to fall apart. On top of that, I got tired always seeing the stuff behind it, so I intend to change them. And one more thing I wanted, it's a better place for store the shoes and the bags. Hence my plan was to retire an old dresser and to put there a section with only shelves in it. Then to move my wardrobe part towards the middle and get a new section for the coats and my lingerie. Also to get the new doors without a glass part, please. I haven't a video on installing all those heavy parts, but there's where it went pear-shaped. The new doors were completely different. We already had one of them in slightly different shade, but those new appear to be completely different. I should have known that IKEA is changing their designs like every couple of years, but still was shocked. And so for a couple of next weeks, our bedroom represented a showroom of IKEA door evolution. After my last makeover, I was questioned when I'm going to change the knobs on the side tables. Maybe it's a reasonable question, so I did it while waiting on the new door delivery. It turned out like this. What do you think? Or maybe I should paint those side tables. When I was already into a makeover mood, I thought I'll change also a wire drawers in the same go. As we already had a timber color frames, I thought the same color drawers would look more cohesive. So 2 more IKEAs later, they finally were on stock and we could get our hands on them. I have to admit that I really like to measure everything and double check, just to be sure I'm getting everything done right. Oh, I thought so. Did I already mention that I like to double check? See that gap? Normally you shouldn't. I failed to measure the placement of the rails correctly and had to start all over again. However, here is my tip on how to look wrinkless on the camera. Just lay on your back. I had to get all the new pulls, because those what I showed you in autumn turned out being a pet peeve. Well, it's not a big difference at first glance, but there is something what I anyway like about them. It's how clean, uniform and calming it looks. And I would never thought that it's so much brighter in the room without that niche next to the window. And here's the inside, the way it makes more sense for us and our habits.
Brand new street and brand new me.
I couldn't completely rid of all wire drawers because of how the hinges are placed. But I guess I can live with that.
Couple days ago.
It's much more functional. I have an easy access to my daily wearables. I don't have to be worried that somebody might see me in the window exposing my altogether while I'm reaching out for my knickers, and I don't have to move the chair anymore who can open the drawers. The new section is dedicated for the outdoor wear and my dresses mainly. And finally I can keep my bags upwards in the nook underneath. We got also the place to keep our footwear where they are not sticking one to another. I made bigger openings for the boots and bulkier items and smaller gaps for the rest. Christian got the cute drawer with the compartments for his scarves and ties. And his infinite amount of the socks. I also got one, although I haven't so many items to store here, and I even find some to declutter. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Which one you like more, the one before or the after? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg. See you in next video. Adi!